YouTube, back. We got another Baja Warrior. I will show you the pictures and in the video when I get home. Just picked it up. $60. Be back. This is it right here. Got a torque converter. Right here, the pipe. The headlight. Got all the pieces on now. 212. Carburetor. That's it. About how it works. I just cleaned the carburetor. I'm putting it back together. Getting everything, putting it back together. Lost some footage from that, so we'll start from right here. Still need to put some gas up in here. Pretty much just a bowl and everything was dirty. But I had recorded. Oh, it had a little sediment of the old gas, and the jet was clogged up. And that's pretty much all was wrong with it. I need to check the oil too. I'm gonna do that next. I'm gonna assemble this right here and check the oil. Throw a little fuel up in there. And I had to pull the clutch and the dropper pulley. It's all rusty. Have to sand it down, take it apart. So right now I'm gonna take this off so I can start it, because I'm pretty sure it might take off. This right here is it might take off. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, we found the carburetor on now. Just gonna start it with this. Let's see. Still got some movement. I see the little, it look pretty new right there. So alright, just start it up. Hopefully it'll take off. Also got the little brass bushing up in there, and it look new, so it shouldn't take off. And it's closed, so alright, it's gonna be the first start up. Let's see, let's give it a little choke. Pound valve springs. I'm gonna change them to 26. Just a little update. Probably need this engine right here. I'll probably take it out. Put the 196 on here. This on one of my boat plates. They're very springy. I like these right here better than these. These more fun. It right here. We'll do the ride along with the next one. Alright. I'm back. This is an update for the Baja Warrior. Had a torque converter set up, and I put a silencer on there to respect my neighbors. It's a little quarter, not too quarter, but have street tires on there. Have a big wheel in the front. Wheel come off the ground, so I had to scoot up toward the front of the seat. I done got it up to 60 miles per hour. It's pretty fast. You get that pretty fast. I'm 260 pounds, and it pulled me very well. So this just the update for the Baja Warrior. like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.